welcome back to my channel. Today, Sydney and I are going to do a Fab Kids haul. And I just want to say thank you so much to Fab Kids for sponsoring this video. But she is so excited. She has not seen these clothes. I actually went on the website and picked them all out for her. This is her back to school clothing haul. So if you guys have a daughter about Sydney's age, honestly, a daughter, son, any child, they would love clothes from Fab Kids. I even got a few things for Carter, which he picked out on the website as well. Fab Kids is really up to date on just what kids like right now. So as you can imagine, I got Sydney a couple of unicorn things because she loves unicorns. Actually, your shirt says something about unicorns on it right now. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to leave the link to Fab Kids in the description box below. You guys can check it out. You can actually get buy one, get one on their shoes and outfits. They sell outfits like they come all together. So I'll show you guys what I got Sydney. One of them actually came with a little purse that is so cute. So they sell like groupings. So if you don't want to put together an outfit on your own from the website, they actually have them put together already and you can just click and buy the whole outfit, which is really nice if you're pressed for time or if you don't really want to put together an outfit for your kids. So I'm going to show you guys what I got her. I'll also show you some things I got for Carter as well. We'll go ahead and start with those since Carter is not here with us. He's actually in school already and Sydney starts tomorrow. So this is Carter's shirt and it's got this little tiger on it. He begged me to wear this today, but I told him that I needed it for the video. So he's all about clothes that have animals, some kind of animal on them. He's only in kindergarten right now, but these are his favorite kind of shirts. So I like these because they're really unique. So I like that Fab Kids has a bunch of like different options that you don't see everywhere else, especially when it comes to the girl clothes. They are so cute. When I was a little girl, when I was Sydney's age, I would have loved to have these little outfits. So get ready for some really cute things. Do you want to start with the shoes?
Yes.
Okay, you guys are gonna love these shoes, and so are you. All right, let me have you close your eyes. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm. These are so cute.
Aren't they cute?
Yes.
Let me see one of them. So this is what they look like. They are unicorn sneakers, and they are so reasonably priced, you guys. They are not gonna break the bank, and she obviously loves them. The link will be below, check them out, but these are so cute. These are some of their best-selling shoes right now, these unicorn ones, as you can imagine. So we had to get some of those, and then we also got the other best-selling pair of shoes, which are perfect for fall. Are you closing your eyes? Yes? Okay, you can open them. So these are some boots for the fall.
So cute.
They have this rose colored design on them, and then they zip up here. That way they're easy for her to get on when she's half asleep in the morning trying to get dressed for school. So these are another pair of their best-selling shoes. Aren't these cute? Like you wear them with like a dress or something for the fall.
Cute.
So yeah, they're just adorable. They're like cuter than your average boots for the fall. I wish that they had these in my size. They do not. 5 is the biggest size that they had. So
cute.
yeah, those are cute. I like those. So I'm going to show you some outfits that I picked out for you. You might want to wear one for the first day of school tomorrow. Alright, so I got you this skirt.
Aww.
It's got
So
this
sparkly.
hot pink waistband. And then you can just wear it with like a t-shirt or something. And I got this one right here. So it's got the emoji on it right here. And it says amazing. So
Oh my God.
look how cute that would be together. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
So she could wear this, and then you could wear your unicorn sneakers. You could even wear the boots if you wanted to. I mean, is this what kids are wearing?
Yeah.
Okay, so I know that they love emojis, unicorns, all of that. And then I just kind of thought that this would make it look a little bit prettier. It's got the little sparkles right here in the, what is it, star eyes?
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm feeling so old right now.
You-
She is always cold at school, so I thought that we probably need to get a few little cardigans because it's still hot outside here, but even Carter gets really cold in his classroom, so cardigans are a must. But I have had the hardest time finding cardigans for her size lately. It's either a really heavy jacket or a sweatshirt or something. So when I saw cardigans on their website for super cheap, I grabbed a pink one because, of course, pink. I mean, what other color would I get? So this is a really soft, really cute cardigan that she can just like throw in her backpack and wear it during class whenever she's cold. And then okay, so look at these. You're gonna be so excited about these pants. These are some unicorn leggings, and they match the shoes perfectly.
Yeah, they're like the same faces.
Yep. So you could wear those. You could even wear those with this shirt, and then that goes perfectly. Then you could wear this cardigan. I tried to get things that were almost like a capsule wardrobe, to where she could like mix and match her stuff if she wanted to, but I knew you would love those unicorn pants. And then I just got some basic black leggings, but they have the cutout knee in them. They're not just like a regular like pair of black leggings.
Bad girl this year.
No, you always end up wearing holes in your knees though in your leggings.
But that's because I fall all the time.
Well, at least these already have holes in them, and you don't have to worry about making more holes in them. But I thought she could wear these with even this shirt, okay? So throw on some leggings, put on the t-shirt, put on the cardigan, tennis shoes.
You can also wear this with that.
You sure can. You can wear pretty much any shirt with black leggings. Black leggings are my favorite. You're gonna like this one. I got her this rainbow tee, and it has the flip sequins on it, which is just like her backpack. Isn't that cute?
Yes, it's so cute.
So you could wear this with black leggings. You could wear this with the skirt if you wanted to.
Basically
you could wear this with these. That goes perfectly. I think that's why I got those to go together. But of course you can wear these with whatever you want. But yeah, that's so cute. And I haven't seen anything like this. I feel like all of this is just so unique. Like, people are going to be asking you where you got your clothes at. Okay, I also got you the unicorn purse. It came with one of the outfits, so I don't remember which outfit exactly.
Probably.
I had got something like all together. It was probably these pants. I don't remember, but it came with an outfit, and I was like, Sydney's gonna love the unicorn purse. So just like I said, they do a lot of things where they'll group like pants and a shirt and a headband, or pants, shirt, and a purse, or it's just really easy to shop on there. So if you have problems coming up with outfits, they've already got it all down for you, and I believe most of them are like $29.95 for the whole outfit, which is really, really good compared to a lot of other places that your girls might want to shop at. I also got this like this denim off the shoulder top.
Cute.
It's got the little cutouts kind of like this one, and then it has the ruffle. This is definitely something like I would wear. I could see myself wearing this.
Cute.
And then she could wear the black leggings with it. She could wear the unicorn leggings with it.
I could wear it to school tomorrow.
Yeah, you can wear whatever you want to wear tomorrow. This will look super cute with the boots. And
so innocent, tiny and cute.
And then black leggings or whatever color leggings she wants to wear with that top. And then jumpers are so in right now. I am obsessed with jumpers personally, so I had to get her one. So I got this one, and it's got the little cat face on it.
It's like the one that you got me last time.
Yes, I did. I got her one kind of like this, and she really loved it, and then she outgrew it because she's growing super fast. So when I saw this one, I was like, Sydney would love that. And jumpers are just so cute, and they're comfortable. And so she doesn't have to worry about getting cold in class. And then she can just throw on like this pink cardigan with it. And then take it off whenever she gets hot and throw it back on during class. But I thought that was so cute. And if they had it in my size, I'd wear it too. Also, it kind of reminds me of like, I don't know, Halloween or something. Like with a little cat face on it. So Halloween is coming up for us soon. And I think that's it. Do you like your stuff?
Yes.
Yeah? Did I do a good job?
Especially these boots. So
I hope I did a good job, but I love how easy it is to shop on Fab Kids, and I'm going to personally continue to shop on there. I can let her pick out some outfits online, and she can just tell me, yes, I like those, yes, I like those. But I just want to say thank you to Fab Kids for sponsoring this video, and don't forget to check out the links below if you're interested in any of these items. I mean, if your daughter's watching this, you're probably going to be getting online here pretty soon. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.